What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I am still working on my 96 Impala. So over the last few months, I've just been buying pieces here and there. I think I finally got where I want to be at. So as far as my music, so I put my double den in, and now I need to get everything else hooked up. So here's the speakers that I end up going with. I went with the 6.5 Focal, 6x9 Focal. That's the 4-channel amp. And then I'm going with the JL audio and a W7. So I'm purchasing a double set W7 that I'll be putting in the trunk. But for today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this trunk out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can get this carpet clean. So I'm gonna pull everything out. I'm gonna try to clean all this carpet, see if I can get it nice and clean. And then while I got the carpet out, I'm gonna go ahead and put this Killmat sound deadener in. So this stuff is pretty thick, sticky. So you get it and you roll it on with this roller. I've seen a few other people do it, so I said let me do that before I get my sound system hooked up. The last piece that I am waiting for is I just ordered a trunk kit from Etchus. So that trunk kit should be here in a few weeks. So that's gonna definitely make it look nice and neat in here. Then once I get that, then I'll get all this stuff installed. The other stuff that you see on the table, this is going in my C10. So I'll be putting this kicker amp. It's a 5-channel as well as a 6x9s, and I had put a set of 6.5s in here just so I can have something when I was testing my music. So I got some 6.5s that I'll be putting in my C10 as well. As far as the interior, I end up selling all of the door panels, my old door panels. If you remember from our previous video, I have new door panels that I'm putting in. So I end up selling those. I actually broke them down and sold them piece by piece, and I got pretty much almost everything that I paid for the new ones. I got that money right back. So before I put the panels on, I want to definitely finish the music. So I got to get my dash put in. Once I get the music and everything hooked up the way I want it, I'm gonna put my panels back on. I'm gonna put my lower dash on. That way I don't have to keep taking it on and off, so I won't have to worry about it breaking. But the radio install went good. I installed that. So now I just gotta button up a few other things. I seen a lot of people on the Facebook group were saying these were good to get, the adapter that you can put in there for your 6.5s that fit in the front door. So I got these adapters here. This is the part number, and I also got some dynamite. This is before I bought the Killmat, but I got these just to go behind each one of the speakers, just that little area, just to minimize the vibrations or whatever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned out, and then I'm gonna start sticking this Killmat in, and then I'll come right back. Okay, so I got the carpet out. I got everything out the trunk, took the carpet out. The floor actually looks really good. The only spots I see is like a little bit right here, like some little rust. So I may go run to the store, get some spray just to put down there. But everything else looks pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wipe this area down, clean it up good, spray over there, and then I'm gonna do the entire trunk with the Killmat. So all right, more to come. I'll come back once I actually start and let you take a look at what I'm doing. So I just want to show you some progress. This stuff is really simple. You just pull the sticky layer from behind it. And so you pull the sticky layer from behind it. You lay it down where you want it to go. You lay it wherever you want it to go. And then once you get it in that spot, you just roll over top of it, roll it down. What I've done all these, and this stuff is Nike sticky, like it's definitely stuck on. So I'm gonna continue to do the whole truck. I did run to the store to get some, what's this, rust barrier spray, just something I can spray in the corners where it just had a little bit of surface rust. It's probably been sitting like that for years. But I did spray a layer, and then I'm gonna spray another layer on there. I know previously I had to change the weather stripping for the trunk because it was leaking. So I'm guessing that could have been from back then where it was leaking. That was a few years ago. I changed it, so I haven't had any trouble with any water getting in the trunk since then. So hopefully that's all good now. So I'll let that dry, and then I'm gonna spray one more layer. But I'm gonna continue, and I'm gonna do the whole trunk. That's the goal. And then what I will do as well is once I start on that, I'm gonna do the whole interior of my C10 square body. I'm gonna do the whole interior. I'm gonna do it, and I may do it in the inside of the Impala as well, because I do have the carpet to change out. So when I change out the carpet, I may do it, and as well as when I do the ceiling, I may do it as well. When I change out the headliner, because I wanted to change that as well. So I may do this, yeah, in the inside and in my C10. So all right, let me finish and I'll be right back. Well, take a look at it. This is my first time doing it, so some spots look a little rough, but I did get the sides done. I got the floor. I am gonna finish back there, and I am gonna do up top as well. So, but yeah, here it is, my carpet. I have to clean the carpet. So the carpet, before I put this back in, I am gonna scrub it. I have a few. Let me show you what I have. So I have these brushes, the scrub brushes that hook onto your drill. So you hook it onto your drill, spray some degreaser, and scrub it. So that's what I'll be doing next. I'll definitely go ahead and scrub this up, clean it up. I may pull out the steamer, and I also have a hot water extractor as well. So I may pull out my hot water extractor and hit some of those spots. It is getting a little chilly now, so I gotta figure out what's a day. It's gonna be pretty warm outside, so I can sit outside and dry and not get molded. So after finishing this, and I get in my kit, I'll go ahead and my trunk kit, I'll go ahead and get the music and everything hooked up, get everything squared away. Then after that, my next step is to I'll be ordering my seat covers. So I need to order my seat covers. I'll probably go ahead and do that this weekend. So I order my seat covers. I need to change out my carpet, which I already have. So yeah, that's my next steps after I get the music hooked up. Do this and as well, and just do the headliner. I probably do the headliner black. So that's the goal for now. And I have decided that I am gonna get some billets. So I'll probably do 22-inch billets. I think that's what I'm gonna do, 22 by 8 or 9 in the front, and then 22 by 11 in the back. So that's the plan. Yep, that's the plan, to put those billets on it. So I'll be doing some more videos. Hopefully I'll be able to get in the audio place soon to get everything hooked up. I could hook it up myself, but I do want it to look nice and professional, and I want it to look nice and neat. So yeah, well, thanks for watching the video. There will be more coming. If you have not already, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.